Sound sleep impacts nearly every aspect of your health and well-being. But it's important to recognize signs and effects of a bad mattress. Investing in a quality mattress is one of the most straightforward ways to promote restful sleep and improve overall health. So I decided to get rid of the memory foam mattress and get myself a SmartGRID mattress. Yippee! My SmartGRID mattress gives me both softness and firmness at the same time. My SmartGRID mattress has instant adaptive technology. It instantly rebounds to all your turning and tossing activities and gives support to your body. I changed the way I sleep. And you? SmartGRID has open structures that allows natural air to pass throughout your mattress and hence keeps you cool all night. Memory foam hai bakwas. SmartGRID hai JHAKASS.